Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use two WhatsApp numbers in one phone. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not make any mistakes. So if you want to use two WhatsApp numbers on the same phone, then watch the video to the end and you will learn how to do it. So first of all we go into the App Store and enter the WhatsApp business. Don't worry, this is an official free application from WhatsApp with additional business features that you cannot use and use it as a regular application. Therefore, we install it and go in. As you can see, you can add a new phone number and use two applications. It will even be convenient for you, so be sure to try it. That's how easy it is. Be sure to watch the entire playlist about WhatsApp on my channel or follow the link in the description. I'm sure you'll learn a lot. I hope guys this tutorial made your life a little bit easy and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye. Have a nice day.